Suresh, Rishi sir. Okay, Rishi sir, how you are feeling after reaching Chembra Peak?
बहुत अच्छा एहसास हो रहा है। दुनिया की सबसे ऊंची चोटी तो नहीं, लेकिन कौन सा एरिया सुरेश है? चेमरा पीठ नहीं, बट वायनाड की सबसे ऊंची चोटी चेमरा पीठ पे हम लोग बैठे हुए हैं। और हम दो बुजुर्ग प्रत्याशी जिनकी उम्मीदें कम थी, लेकिन हम दोनों भी सफलतापूर्वक आए। थैंक यू।
धन्यवाद सर। सुरेश भाई, आप बताओ आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
Yeah, definitely it's a great feeling being on the highest peak of Wayanad.
How is the experience?
I must say,
highest peak of Wayanad.
it's the highest peak of
It's
Wayanad.
wrong. It's false.
Hey, man, I need to say more. Yeah, I must say that it's kind of, how people feel when they reach the top of the Everest. It was a very difficult trek, very steep, and on the way we crossed the heart-shaped lake and, slippery trek and rocks, crossing those rocks, very tiring and everything, but ultimately feeling very good.
Yawn.
Okay. Can you tell me what is this bag? Why you bought this bag?
There are so many eatable stuffs and camera and in case there are waterfalls on the way or when we are going back to go into the water, so dry clothing and all that.
So do you have any tough time while bringing?
Yeah, I mean it was very heavy load and
He didn't have tough
in
time.
fact Rishi sir said
We all had a very tough time while bringing his bag.
Okay, we'll come to our next guy, Sarkar, Abhishek Sarkar. So how you are feeling?
I'm not having much energy left to say anything after climbing the top of Chembra Peak, which is supposed to be. People say that it is the highest point of Wayanad, but the experience being here is very good. It's amazing to be on the top and all. As Suresh said, I mean we can only imagine the feeling which people might have got when they climbed Everest and all.
Okay,
It's
so any
definitely a
comments
big
for
achievement.
Suresh bag?
It sucks. It sucks big time.
Okay,
I throw it.
okay, Rishi sir, any comments for Suresh bag? And do you think, whether it was really required to, get that such a big bag?
I feel after some year, you cross some years of your age, you do this type of mistakes, like
Okay.
people of old age people. So it's
Okay.
acceptable.
No, I think he had medicines over there.
Okay.
While coming back, he had a lot of medicines over there. The plaster of Paris and all. So in case he required that while coming back and climbing up, that's why he bought all this bag.
Okay, so he's our guide.
our guide.
Ranjit, our guide. Thank you, Ranjit.
Thank you.
And
Yeah, this is me, Suresh. This
Suresh,
is Rishi.
this is Rishi,
That is
and
Sarkar.
this is Sarkar.
That is
and
you. That is
finally,
you.
this
That
is
is
me.
you. Yeah.
Okay.
Man.
Thanks,
Hey, you are not told how you are feeling, man. You asked everyone of us. What does that mean? No words, eh? No words to
Didn't
say.
have energy.
You don't have any good thing to say, eh? Okay. Cut. Okay.